If you're getting ready to sell your home, you might be thinking about renovations or remodels to boost the value. But not so fast. Before you start dumping cash into major projects, you need to know which fixes and upgrades are actually worth the investment, and which ones are just money pits that buyers don't really care about. In this video, I'm going to share the top things you should avoid fixing or replacing when prepping your house to sell. We'll go room by room, and I'll give you the inside scoop on what renovations deliver, poor returns versus which budget-friendly touch-ups can really move the needle. So if you want to maximize your profit without overspending, this is a must-watch. Chapter 1: The Kitchen Don'ts and Do's. The kitchen is often called the heart of the home, but it's also a black hole for renovation dollars if you're not careful. Here's what not to do. Don't splurge on high-end appliances, countertops, or cabinets. Buyers don't typically pay a premium for those ultra-luxury finishes. Do give cabinets a fresh coat of paint or stain, replace old hardware, and consider an inexpensive countertop resurfacing to instantly brighten and update the space. Chapter 2: Bathrooms. Leave it to the buyers. Everyone wants their dream bathroom oasis, but as a seller, it rarely pays to take on an expensive remodel. Instead, don't retile floors or rip out and replace old tubs, showers, or vanities. As long as they're clean and in decent shape, leave it be. Do recork showers, replace toilet seats, and hang new shower curtains and towels for an instant refresh without major costs. Chapter 3: Basements and attic. Best left untouched. Unfinished basements and attics can be remodeled, but you'll likely never recoup the full cost when selling. Save your money and don't finish a basement or convert an attic into living space. Many buyers prefer to customize those areas themselves. Do give those spaces a good cleaning, declutter, and let the buyers envision the potential. Chapter 4: Flooring repair. Don't replace. New floors are expensive. Replacing wall-to-wall carpets or hardwoods is often not necessary. Simply don't rip out and install new flooring throughout, unless it's in disastrous condition. Do clean carpets, buff and repair hardwoods where possible, and replace isolated stained or damaged areas. Chapter 5: Exterior and landscaping. Enhance curb appeal. Making a great first impression is huge for attracting buyers, but you don't need an overhaul, just some strategic touch-ups. Don't reside the home, install a new roof, build a new deck or patio unless damaged. Do power wash siding and walkways, plant in expensive flowers and shrubs, replace garage door or front door if needed. Chapter 6: Bonus tips. Low cost, high impact tricks. Just a few finishing touches can make your home feel fresh, modern, and inviting to buyers. Give every room a fresh coat of neutral paint. Replace dated light fixtures and hardware. Declutter and depersonalize so buyers can envision their stuff. Let in natural light with open blinds, curtains. Use bright lamps and staging elements to enhance ambience. Enhance curb appeal with fresh mulch, potted plants, power washing. Chapter 7: Final thoughts. There you have it, my top recommendations on what not to fix, replace, or renovate when getting ready to sell your house. Stick to budget-friendly updates and repairs, and let the buyers take on any big renovations to their taste. By knowing which projects deliver poor returns versus high-impact low-cost tricks, you can show your home in its best light and maximize profits, without the headache and expense of major overhauls. What's your biggest turn-off or must-have when house hunting? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.